5:39 PM na guys. Ngayon pa lang kami lalabas ni Sumi. Natulog siya. Talagang grabe yung lagnat niya. Sobrang init ni Sumi. Pero kasi gutom na ako. So lalabas lang kami para kumain. Tapos babalik na ulit kami sa loob ng aming hotel. Hindi na kami maglilibot-libot ngayong araw na to. Bukas na lang siguro. Para maipahinga ni Sumi. Tapos bukas na lang kami gagala. Ayan, balik tayo dito. Mukhang parang kakaulan lang. Gusto ko sanang mag-mall today eh. Eto, dito na lang kami kakain. You wanna eat here? President Curry House. Curry House. Let's check what they have. Prata. Ito ang menu.
Right.
Roti and butter garlic. May tandoor din sila. May mga ulam. Chicken. Fried chicken, chicken ketchup. Tutulungan kami ni Kuya dito sa menu.
Mutton? Beef? That's beef?
Kuya, can we have chicken?
Chicken?
No pork.
Oh, no more?
No pork.
Oh, no pork, yeah. Sorry.
One chicken.
Chicken.
Okay.
Chicken, 2 roti with egg,
Egg roti.
2 regular. You want tea? Hot tea?
Okay.
2 hot tea. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Normal roti two.
Normal roti 2.
Egg roti.
Thank you. Bait ni Kuya, tinulungan kami. Siguro nakita niya nakatingin kami sa menu, hindi namin alam kung anong orderin. So, umorder kami ng 2 egg prata. Tapos 2 regular na prata. Tapos egg curry. Tapos 2 hot tea. Sumitisi. Parang so hungry na kasi.
I think everything else is fine. I think only the, how to say, like weakness. I can't get up.
Yeah, so you rest today and then tomorrow we go out.
Yep.
And then we will have another day. So what is the check out for?
Well,
So we only have tomorrow, guys. I don't know. I'm really hungry. I wanna eat more. Maybe after this, I'm gonna buy more things pa. Hindi kasi kami familiar sa mga pagkain. Alam ko lang itsura, hindi ko alam yung mga pangalan eh. Roti, sabi ko roti kanay. Chennai pala yun. Ayun pala yung parang flaky na na prata. Yun yung hinahanap namin. Chennai pala. So excited na guys. I'm hungry. Kanina habang nagpapahinga sa Sumit sa kwarto, nanonood lang ako. Nag-YouTube lang ako. I said while you were asleep, I was just watching YouTube. So I'm gonna let him sleep again tonight. Yeah, it's already 6 PM eh. So I don't think we can go out na. Parang pahinga na natin si Sumit. Ay,
thank you.
the tea na. Thank you. You try the tea. Nice?
Good.
Oo. Yung kaninang coffee na na-try namin kaninang umaga, masarap siya pero hindi namin siya ganun gabi kasi naghanap kami ng strong coffee. As parang sobrang sweet nun para sa amin kasi ang daming condensed milk. Ito kaya. Oh, this is good. Sarap niya to.
What else you want to buy?
Maybe from somewhere else. I want some sweet. Sarap siya. Gusto kong picturean yung mga pagkain nila. I'm gonna take picture of the food. Naka-display lang kasi dun. Parang I feel like we're in Singapore.
Yeah.
Same lang
Almost same as Singapore.
Mga itsura ng tao, tapos mga pagkain, ganyan. Nope.
Oh, joke lang. No. He's gonna take one.
Joke lang. Mga ano kang asado, kala namin sa amin na, di ba pala?
I think I feel a little better after I see.
So we only have tomorrow. Let's go out early. And I wish we could keep our luggage here so we can go around. What time is our flight on the 5th?
6.
Yeah. Maybe we can ask them to leave our keys.
But don't forget that it's 1 hour away.
Yeah, so we'll like come back. Or leave from here at around wala daw si kuya ng gravy. Oh, we should have checked how they made the prata. Thank you.
Egg roti, yeah?
Thank you.
Wow, sarap niyan. Wala yung manok. Asan yung manok? I think you should order separate chicken curry.
That's what we did.
But I think no, this one usually comes with gravy. Can we also order one chicken curry?
Chicken.
Yes. Thank you. Looks good. Let's eat na.
Thank you.
Make egg also. Get egg. Picture there. Making roti.
Okay, sure. Thank you. He said we can take a picture.
Is he making right now? Go.
Maybe later.
Go take the spoon and fork and tell him it's maybe.
Where's the food?
Fork and spoon, go.
Where is it?
There. Yeah. Yes.
Ang sarap. Singaporean style talaga. I think I'm gonna order more. Ang sarap. Where's yung garlic, roti? Ay! Garlic roti and ano pa, many more. Ay, sorry. Sarap. Yummy, no? Tapos namin kumain, guys. Sobrang sarap nung curry nila. Tapos yung egg prata, the best. I missed it. You? Bet, okay lang din yung plain, pero mas bet ko talaga yung egg prata. Ewan ko kung magugustuhan nyo yung curry kasi first time ko nakatry ng ganong curry, hindi ko rin siya nagustuhan eh. Nung sa Singapore ako. Tapos nasanay na lang ako. Tapos bigla ko na lang siya naging favorite. Yung prata, tapos yung ganyang curry. So ngayon, maghahanap tayo ng panghimagas.
Not bad, the weather.
Yeah. My God, yung ubo. Pasensya na po kung tumatahol-tahol kami.
Metro.
Yeah. Dito lang yung train station eh. Sa harap lang namin.
Yes, near. Everything is near.
Yan, no? So, bukas tayo, dito? Bukas tayo mamamasyal-masyal ng bongga. Today, pahingayin natin tong si Sumit kasi since dumating kami ng Pinas, wala pa kaming matinong tulog. Siguro na-drain na lang yung katawan niya talaga. Pero ako una nagkasakit. Ganyan din ako nung mga nakaraang araw. Pero yung sa kanya matindi eh. Talagang walang tayuan. Yung sa akin, higa lang ako sa paggabi na. Tapos doon ako nanginginig-ginig kasi nilalamig na ako. Nagkakaroon ako ng chills sa gabi. Pero pag naman na umaga, tapos ano ba yun? Umaga, tapos hapon, okay naman ako. Lalakad lang tayo dito. Maghanap tayo ng dessert kasi nga nakarating na kami dun sa ditong side, nakita na namin. So dito naman tayo magtitingin-tingin kung anong meron dito. As balik na rin tayo ulit sa hotel. Oh, meron palang ganyan. You have to press it. Nice. So yung kinain namin ni Sumit kanina is around $17, 17 ringgit.
Ringgit, yeah.
And 80 cents. How much is it in Canadian dollars? 17. $8. Wait lang guys, nag-calculate ako. Sa Canadian, in Canadian is 560.
Oh, really?
In Philippine peso, only 234 pesos. Wow. And I felt full na.
It felt like we ate so many things.
Yeah, nice ha? I like that flag over there. Panggong Bandaraya. Ano kaya to?
Must, right?
Is it?
Maybe government of
Old Supreme Court. Old Supreme Court nila. Nice. Ano these? Kill?
I noticed that their, what to say, like prices of the things
Yeah?
are almost the same as before. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
It didn't go up too much like in other countries.
I think it's the same in Singapore too. Maybe it has increased a little bit, but in Canada, it's really expensive.
Everything is so super expensive.
Dati naaalala ko, pag yung gusto ko ng sa McDonald's, how much do you spend for like a really, really big meal, like large Coke, large price?
Everything,
Yeah. 12, no? When you're gonna
Maybe
be so
more.
full na.
Maybe more.
But in Canada, like just a regular size of like a meal for in McDonald's is gonna cost you $16 already, diba? 16. I wanna take a picture of that. Nice.
Also recording.
Oh, let's go say hi to the camera. Mayroon nagbibideo-video. Ano kayo binibideo nila? Photo shoot. Wedding shoot. Sabi ni Sumi, tara tingnan natin. Ano kaya meron dyan? Ano yun? Ano kaya meron? This one, the river. Pasimple pa si Sumit, makikichismis lang naman. Ayan na, ready na, Sumit. What are you doing here? You wanna go there?
No.
Let's go na. What are you doing, brother?
We're doing a film.
Oh, film.
From India.
Nice.
From
Oh,
India, wow.
Nice.
From India.
Nice.
Nice. Ayun, nakichismis lang.
Who's the hero?
You. Nag-shoot daw sila ng film. Telugu.
Yeah, Telugu film.
Mga chismosa lang. You wanna do Marites, right? That's why you're here. Asan na yung ano? Yung star ng film nyo? Where's the star of the film? Ganyan sila mag-set up ng camera. O yan. Asan ang director? Mga chismosa.
That's the dialogue? No? That's the dialogue. Yeah, it's nice. I thought it's gonna be super hot.
I'm enjoying right now. How's your fever?
Still hot.
Wala pa akong picture. Bukas na nga lang ako babawi. I don't have a picture yet. Pero bukas na lang. Bad timing naman kasi sakit ni Sumite.
She's giving consent.
Meow. Meow.
He or she?
He. Meow meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Ming Ming. Antok yarn. Meow meow. Bakit siya kanina ngayon wala na?
You told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Bili kami ng mango susu. Manga susu daw. They have that avocado with chocolate. Ah. May chocolate. This one is... ganun lang. Lalakad-lakad lang kami. Pauwi na kami actually. I miss the mango graham shake from Alcala. I only tried it once.
That's
No.
not the real one.
Oh, but it's still good.
Thank you.
Yum. You drink?
I don't
You know what? Sarap. Sarap. Sarap nga guys.
Golgappa. Panipuri.
Masam Golgappa?
No.
Are we almost there na?
Yeah.
Sarap. It tastes the same as the mango graham shake in Alcala, but it's just
Only
missing.
graham missing.
Yeah, missing graham. Halasa din. Tingnan nyo yung to-go, ano nila, plastic. Nice! To-go plastic.
Maybe I should drink one more coconut.
Come, let's go. Nagkokonat kasi kami kayo ng umaga. Yeah.
Just to hydrate.
Mamaya, Kuya will be thinking like, why we always grab drinks from there? Because we had coffee there, we had coconut, and then another coconut today.
Almost finished.
Yeah. Wala na siyang coconut. Dito na naman kami.
Again, it's really good.
Still walking pa rin, guys. Katatapos ni Sumit uminom ng kanyang coconut water. Meron kami nakitang bakery dito. Oh, busy-busy sila. Wow. Mas meron pa rin itong kainan. They have more. But I think I'm gonna go to the bakery. Ah, nice! Ay, look at the ano na guys. Oh, gabi na kasi. Nice! Ang ganda. May pailaw na sila.